Welcome guys, today we will discuss important current affair facts, MCQ and static GK of 10th October. Let's start. New START treaty discussion between which two country, that is USA and Russia. New START treaty, a treaty between USA and Russia. It is a category to deploy 1,150 deployed nuclear warheads, not more than that. And many more categories are included under it, which should be followed by USA and Russia. Next question. 2025 Nobel Prize in Chemistry goes to Susumu Kitagawa, Richard Robson, and Omar Yakchi. Susumu Kitagawa from Japan, Richard Robson from Australia, Omar Yakchi from USA. If we talk about in which field it is awarded, that is award metal organic framework in chemistry. The transition tax levied on the purchase and sale of security in stock exchange. Security transition tax is a tax that levied on the purchase to sell and security in stock exchange. Tiger Outside Tiger Reserve initiative launched by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So Tiger Outside Tiger initiative launched by the Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. Its main aim is to decrease the human-animal conflict. Recently, first Arab Director General of UNESCO became Khaled Al Anami. Khaled Al Anani became the first Arabian Director General of UNESCO. If we talk about UNESCO, it established on 1945 and its headquarters in Paris, France. Indira 2025 joint military exercise held between India and Russia to be organized in Rajasthan. Indira 2025 joint military exercise. Mera Hau Chongba festival organized in Manipur. Bharat Bulletin 2025 brand ambassador became Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. Viksit Bharat Bulletin. If we talk about Viksit Bharat Bulletin, it was launched in 23 September 2025 under the Ministry of Education to promote the 6th to 12th students' real-life problem and solution. If we talk about Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, he has participated in Exom mission. It is a private mission launched in 25 June 2025 under the rocket Falcon 9 Block 5. He also part of the International Space Station first and also the second Indian to go on the space from the scientific experiment in International Space Station. Newest member state of International Atomic Energy Agency. Newest member of state of International Atomic Energy Agency became Maldives. So, newest member of a state International Atomic Energy Agency became Maldives. IUCN World Conservation Congress to be held in Abu Dhabi. If we talk about Sastra Ramarajun 2025 prize goes to Alexander Smith. Sastra Ramarajun 2025 goes to Alexander Smith. It is awarded in mathematics under 32 years people. Nobel Prize for Literature goes to Langzor Karan Sonno Korkai. Sorry for this pronunciation. Nobel Prize for Literature is Lalzo Kranzan Korkai from Hungary. If we talk about first Nobel Prize in Literature, it is go to Sully Pandame from France and 2024 Hang Kong from South Korea. Famous Pasni port located in Pakistan, Balochistan. Recently, it is in news due to the Pakistan wants that it should controlled by USA for its development. First Integrity Mobility app launched by PM Modi, that is Mumbai One. Its main aim is to provide all transport services tickets at one place. So first Integrity Mobility, so that anyone can book at a platform. First Integrity Mobility. 8th International Solar Alliances to be held in Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. It is organized from 27 to 30 October. Headquarter Gurugram, India. If we talk about International Solar Alliances, it's headquartered in Gurugram, India. It's launched in 2015. Director General Ashish Khanna. World Mental Health Day celebrated on 10 October. From the year 1992. Its current theme is Access to Service, Mental Health in Catastrophes and Emergencies. Above and Beyond, written by Shiv Kumar Mohanka, launched by Union Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu. So, Above and Beyond, written by Shiv Kumar Mohanka. First fully solar powered zoo to be launched in Karnataka in the National Park Bannerghatta Biological Park. The first fully solar powered zoo to be launched in Karnataka at Bannerghatta Biological Park. Orondoi 3.0 scheme launched in Assam. What is its theme? What is its importance? It empowers the poor people. It is a welfare scheme. It is a 3.0 scheme. First scheme launched in 2020 and second 2022. So it's 3.0 launched in 2025 in Assam, and it provide 1,250 rupees per month to the poor people. US state has officially recognized Diwali as a state holiday. So US, that is California. California declared a state holiday in Diwali. Now guys, moving to some MCQ. Which significant event was celebrated on 9 October 2025 in India? That is 93rd Air Force Day. The Government of India unveiled the logo for which summit on 9 October 2025? That is Indian Artificial Intelligence Impact Summit 2026. The Indian Coast Guard carried out 10th NATPOL REX and 27th NOSDCP prepares meeting of the coast of which city? That is Chennai. The UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer visited India during which dates in October 2025? That is 8 to 9 October. Which Indian state launched district level Swadeshi Melas from 9 October 2025 to promote indigenous products? That is Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad, Noida. Starting from the 9 October 2025, the Government of India began which preparatory process? That is pre-budget meeting. The remnants of Cyclone Shakti brought heavy rainfall to which region of India in early October 2025? That is southern India. Now guys, moving to some static GK. Today we will discuss International Geography Institution level in one-liner. If we talk about UNEP, launched in 1972, Nairobi. Main name is to Global Environment Protection Body. WMO, World Meteorological Organization, established in 1950, Geneva, Switzerland. Weather and Climate Coordination Worldwide. IPCC, established in 1988, Geneva, Switzerland, its headquarters, assesses global climate change. UNESCO established in 1945, its headquarters in Paris, promotes world heritage and education. FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, established in 1945, its headquarters in Rome, ensures food security and agriculture development. IUCN, International Union for Conservation Nature, established in 1948, its headquarters in Gland, Switzerland. Published Red Data Book of Endangered Species. International Geographical Union, that is IGU, established in 1922, headquartered in Paris, promotes global geographical studies. International Maritime Organization, established in 1948, its headquarters in London, ensures marine safety and pollutant control. World Bank, established in 1944, headquartered in Washington, D.C., funds global environment and development projects. UNDP, United Nations Development Programme, established in 1965, headquartered in New York, publishes Human Development Report. So guys, we have completed important current affair, facts, MCQ and some static GK. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please share with your friends, support the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching. Please take care.